Today we are planting more of our garden. Here you can see we have planted tomatoes and peppers so far. We use black plastic to keep the weeds down, and these soaker hoses help us use a minimal amount of water to get water to each plant exactly. What have you got there, Coden?
Green bell peppers.
Okay, we're gonna plant those in the garden?
Yeah.
Okay. What have you got there, Sydney?
Sweet banana bell peppers.
Okay, what are we gonna do with those?
We're gonna plant them in our garden.
Okay. What have you got there, Riker?
Peppers.
Okay, what are you gonna do with them?
Plant them.
Where do we get those from?
Our neighbors.
Okay, thanks. Why are you doing that?
I'm marking holes in the plastic so then someone can come along and cut holes in it so we can put the plants in them.
Coden?
I'm cutting holes in the plastic to put the plants in.
What are you doing?
I'm digging the holes for the plants.
When is it going to be time to eat?